Welcome back to the channel. Today, we finally have the news every Sony fan has been waiting for. Yes, the Sony A7 V release date is now confirmed, and along with it, several exciting upgraded features, design changes, and major improvements over the A7 IV. If you're planning to upgrade your camera this year, make sure you watch this full video because we're breaking down everything, the specs, performance, price, and why the A7 V might be Sony's smartest hybrid camera. Yet Sony has officially confirmed that the Sony A7 V will be released in the 2nd of December 2025. Pre-orders are expected to start 2 to 3 weeks before the launch, and the camera will first hit markets in the US, Japan, and Europe, followed by Asia and Middle Eastern regions. This release aligns with Sony's usual upgrade cycle for the A7 series, making the A7 V the first major update after the A7 IV launched back in late 2021. Sony is keeping the classic A7 series body style, but with several improvements. A new, more comfortable deep grip, better heat dissipation for long 4K recording, brighter and sharper EVF, a fully articulating touchscreen with improved touch controls, better weather sealing for professional outdoor use. The camera looks familiar, but feels more modern and polished in the hand. The Sony A7 V features a new 33 to 36 megapixel backside illuminated sensor giving sharper detail, better low light performance, higher dynamic range, cleaner shadows and highlights. Sony has also enhanced color science again, giving more natural skin tones, something creators have been asking for. Expect improved raw image flexibility, faster readout speeds, and better rolling shutter control. This is where the Sony A7 V takes a massive step ahead. Key upgrades include 4K 60 FPS oversampled from the full sensor, 4K 120Fs with improved quality, S-Cinetone for cinematic color straight out of the camera, S-Log 3 with up to 14 stops of dynamic range, better autofocus tracking with AI-powered subject detection, improved IBIS giving up to 8 stops of stabilization, new heat management system for longer recordings, cleaner, sharper low-light video with less noise. Whether you're a filmmaker, YouTuber, or wedding shooter, this camera delivers premium video performance and ease. New AI autofocus system is a game changer. Human, animal, bird, vehicle, and product tracking, faster subject recognition, better accuracy in low light, improved eye tracking while moving. The A7 V also gets the new Bionic XR processor with faster burst shooting and quicker menu response. The A7 V uses the Z-type battery but with better efficiency, meaning more shooting time. You also get dual card slot supporting Spexpress Type A plus SD, faster USB-C 3.2 speeds, wireless transfer improvements, better live streaming support up to 4K. Sony is expected to launch the A7 V at a price of around $2,499 USD, £2,399 UK, €2,499 Europe. This puts it slightly above the A7 IV, but the upgrades justify the price increase. The Sony A7 V stands out because it brings flagship-level autofocus, significantly improved video quality, better ergonomics and cooling, more dynamic range, sharper detail, and cleaner low light. It bridges the gap between the A7 series and Sony's higher-end A7R and A7S models. So this is everything we know so far about the Sony A7 V. And with the release date now confirmed, the hype is stronger than ever. If you're planning to buy a new hybrid camera in 2026, the A7 V is definitely worth waiting for. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech and camera updates.